Title: Measures to Promote Sustainable Waste Management in Hilly Regions. Introduction. Hilly regions are known for their breathtaking landscapes and rich biodiversity. However, these areas often face unique challenges when it comes to waste management. The steep terrain, limited infrastructure, and ecological sensitivity require specific measures to ensure sustainable waste management practices. In this article, we will explore various measures that can be implemented to promote sustainable waste management in hilly regions, focusing on waste reduction, recycling, proper disposal, and community engagement. Waste reduction and segregation. The first step towards sustainable waste management in hilly regions is to emphasize waste reduction and segregation at the source. Encouraging communities to minimize waste generation through practices such as composting, vermiculture, and mindful consumption can significantly reduce the overall waste burden. Proper segregation of waste into categories like organic, recyclable, and non-recyclable enables efficient processing and ensures that valuable resources are not lost. Public awareness campaigns, educational programs, and community workshops can play a vital role in promoting waste reduction and segregation practices. Establishment of recycling facilities. Setting up recycling facilities in hilly regions is crucial for diverting waste from landfills and promoting resource conservation. Recycling centers can be established to process materials such as paper, plastic, glass, and metal, transforming them into valuable resources. These facilities should be strategically located to ensure accessibility for communities in hilly areas. Collaboration with local authorities, NGOs, and private enterprises can help in the establishment and maintenance of recycling facilities, creating a circular economy that promotes sustainable waste management. Composting and organic waste management. The steep slopes and diverse flora of hilly regions make organic waste management a significant aspect of sustainable waste management. Encouraging the practice of composting not only reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills, but also provides nutrient-rich organic matter for soil enrichment. Community composting initiatives, backyard composting, and the establishment of centralized composting facilities can be effective strategies. Proper education and training on composting techniques, including the management of kitchen waste and yard trimmings, can empower individuals and communities to adopt sustainable organic waste management practices. Infrastructure development and accessibility. Hilly regions often face challenges in waste collection and transportation due to the difficult terrain. To address this issue, it is essential to invest in appropriate infrastructure for waste management. This includes the construction of access roads, installation of waste collection points, and the deployment of suitable vehicles for waste collection in hilly areas. Special attention should be given to the design and construction of waste management infrastructure to ensure minimal impact on the environment. Additionally, the provision of waste collection services at regular intervals and the establishment of drop-off points can enhance accessibility and convenience for residents. Community engagement and participation. Active community engagement and participation are vital for the success of sustainable waste management initiatives in hilly regions. Engaging local communities through awareness campaigns, workshops, and community meetings can foster a sense of ownership and responsibility. Encouraging residents to actively participate in waste reduction and segregation, organizing cleanup drives, and supporting community-led initiatives can create a culture of sustainability. Additionally, involving local stakeholders, such as community-based organizations, schools, and religious institutions, can amplify the impact and promote a sense of collective responsibility towards waste management, policy support, and regulation. To promote sustainable waste management in hilly regions, it is crucial to have supportive policies and regulations in place. Governments and local authorities should develop and enforce waste management regulations that prioritize sustainability, waste reduction, and recycling. Incentives and subsidies can be provided to encourage the adoption of eco-friendly practices and technologies. Collaboration between government agencies, private sectors, and non-profit organizations is essential to develop comprehensive waste management strategies and ensure effective implementation. Conclusion: sustainable waste management in hilly regions is a pressing need to preserve the natural beauty and ecological integrity of these areas. By implementing measures such as waste reduction, recycling, proper disposal, and community engagement, hilly regions can overcome the unique challenges associated with waste management. The combination of infrastructure development, policy support, and education can pave the way for sustainable practices that minimize environmental impact and maximize resource conservation. Ultimately, it is a collective effort involving local communities, governments, and various stakeholders that will lead to a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for hilly regions.